Hi. Do you know you can create AI animated video like me by subscribing to Shadrach Okogby YouTube channel? Hurry now and subscribe to start learning for free.
Hi, I am in a video made by SHADRECH, okay?
Stop! Just stop! If beauty was fire, you would have burned down the whole of Lagos by now.
Will you believe I tell you that you can actually create those videos you just watched a moment ago using AI? After watching this video to the end, in this video I'm going to be breaking down the step-by-step method of creating those type of video you just watched a moment ago. And I'm not only going to reveal to you how to create them, I'm also going to be showing you how to create them effortlessly. That is, you are not going to waste much of your time drafting out your prompt, drafting out whatever you want to draft out to make sure the video comes alive. I'm not going to take you through a very long route that will even confuse you at the end of the day and you'll not know exactly what you watched in the video. What I'm basically going to be doing for you is I'm going to break it down in a simple method that will be very easy for you to understand. What you need to do for me now is, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also click on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you will be notified. In fact, you will not even stress yourself. Whenever I drop a new video, you'll just see it pop up on your phone screen. Then you can hit on the video notification and come here and learn new method of creating content with AI. Now, having said all that, let's dive into the main video.
An application called Dreamface. So if you are using an Android phone, you can head over to your Play Store. But if you are using an iPhone, you already know where you can download the app. So when you get to Play Store, you simply search for Dreamface. Click on Dreamface and search. You see this particular application showing open is the one you want to download. Now, the reason why my own is showing open is because I already downloaded the application on my phone. That is why it's showing open. But in your case, if you don't have it before, when you get to this place, it will show you install. So you click on install and you install the app on your phone. Now, when you are done installing, the next thing you are going to do is to click on open. Then it will take you to directly to the interface. Now, if you get to the interface, there are three things you can see here: image generate, image to video, and avatar talk slash sync. These are the three things you can actually use Dreamface to do. Now, the first one is to create images. If you want to create any type of image, you just come here, describe the image you want to create. You can see one of the images I actually use this application to create. If I want to create another one, I'll just come here, paste my prompt, and I will create my image. The next thing you can actually use this AI to do is to animate your images. That is, you can turn your image to video. So what you do is you click on this image to video and it will take you to this interface. One thing I like about this particular AI is that it gives you free credit, daily free credit. That is, you can animate one picture for free every day. So if you want to start using it, you can come here to turn your image to video every day. The first thing you are going to do now is to click on this add image. Then it will take you to your gallery. You can see I have a lot of images I can actually animate. So the one I'll be choosing is this particular one. Let me just choose this particular one for this tutorial. So I will click on confirm. After clicking on the particular image I want, I'll click on confirm. Then the image will be uploaded for me. The next thing I'm going to do is I will describe what I want the image to do. I will simply write a description of what you want the video to do. That is, the woman in the video, what you want her to do is what you are going to type here. So in my case, I'm going to say woman talking, and woman talking, comma, smiling and making hard gestures. So that is what I'm going to type: woman talking, smiling and making hard gesture. So after typing it, I will click on this create to create my video. Now when you get here, if you don't know what to say, you can actually click on inspire me and they will make suggestion of what the video will look like. You can see the suggestion they made for me, but I don't like it, so I'll do is I'll still paste the prompt of woman talking, smiling and making hand gesture. That is what I'm going to use. Now you can see this place where you see setting. As far as this setting is concerned, do not increase it, just retain this setting and you go ahead and click on create. When you click on create, it's going to take some time to create depending on the hour of the day you are creating, right? So you just have to be patient and wait for the video to be animated for you. You can see our image has been animated successfully. You can see the woman talking, smiling, and making heart gestures. So what you do next is you click on this place, this arrow pointing down to download. If you want to give them star, you can give them star. If you don't want to give them star, you can decide to leave this place. Now the next thing we're going to do now is we'll head over to our animation. That is, we want to lip sync. Now to do that, we are going to click on this avatar talk slash sync. We'll click on it and click on this plus sign, or click on this plus sign. We're going to select this video, this image we animated, we change to video. Going to select it and click on confirm. Now that we have successfully selected this video, we are going to click on want avatar to say or sync. We are going to click on it. Now if you get to this place, you can decide to type whatever you want the avatar to say. If you don't want to type what you want the avatar to say, you can come here and choose a voice. Now there are different voices you can actually choose. You can choose from all, choose my child. You can take to male, female, rapid, neutral, celebrity, depending on what you are creating, right? And you make sure you choose a voice that is consistent with the type of video you want to create. Now, apart from choosing a particular voice you want to create, there is another thing you can actually do. You can actually use your voice. Now to use your voice, you click on my voice and click on create new voice. Now to create new voice, you need to click on this record button to record your personal voice, or you can import from photos or import from file. Now importing from files means that you can actually select from the music you have. You can see some of my music. You can actually select from any of these to make it your avatar. I'm not going to use any of this. I'm not going to use record, import from photos, or import from files. So what I'm going to do is I'll I'll still go back again to this place. I'm going to input a particular prompt. I'll input a prompt. If you don't have a prompt, you can type, but if you have it already, you can just copy and paste it. Now this is the prompt I'm going to give to the AI to generate the video for me. I'm going to say hi, I am an AI video made by Shadrach or Kogbe. Now, after writing this prompt, the next thing I'm going to do, I'll click on confirm. Now, when you get here, instead of just going ahead and hurriedly click on animate to animate your video, you need to select a particular voice. If you see this icon that is boldly written choose voice, the voice that was selected is Jackson Baby. And if you look at this video, the person in the video is not a baby, so you can actually use a baby's voice for this type of video. So you are going to select a particular voice that is consistent with the character in the video. So let's click on choose voice. When you get here, you have all manner of voices you can actually choose from. You have all, you have reset, you have child, you have male, and you have female. Now what you do to beat time is whenever you are creating a particular type of video, the character in the video will determine the type of voice you use. Instead of experimenting all of them, if you are using a male character, just come here and click male. If you are using a child, click a child. If you are using a female, click a female. And the video you are making is a female voice that is needed there. So what I would do is I can decide to click on Nina, Sarah, Lisa, Alice, or Judy Baby. But I'm not going to choose Judy Baby even if I'm choosing any other voice, because Judy Baby is actually a baby, right? Because it's called a female child. So I'm going to choose on Alice. So my choice is Alice. After clicking on Alice, I will click on confirm. Now it has been confirmed. The next thing I will do after choosing both the voice and writing my prompt is to click on animate. Now when you click on animate, your video will start loading gradually. Now you can see it has started loading, and you just hold on for a few seconds or at most a minute, and your video will be ready for you to download. Now our video has already been animated. Now let's play it and see what we got.
I am in a video made by SHADRECH, okay.
Now this is what we got from the application, and if you can see, we still have the watermark boldly written on the video. Now before we go ahead and look for a way to remove the watermark, first thing we're going to do is We are going to save the video, and to save the video you click on this arrow pointing down to download the video, and you can see a video has been saved to our album. Then go to your CapCut app and you click on new project. After clicking on new project, you select this particular video you just created, select it here and click on add. After adding the video, you need to select a particular aspect ratio. To select a particular aspect ratio, you are going to scroll to this place, aspect ratio, and you click on it to select aspect ratio. That is if you want to change aspect ratio. Basically, YouTube use aspect ratio 60.9 for each video. So I'm going to be using this video for YouTube. So I'm going to retain original because it actually appear as 60.9. So let's click here. To remove our watermark, we are actually going to be performing a simple but very important task, and that is you are going to write your name. Remember, my name is Shadrach. I'm going to write my name. Just type your name. Click on font. After clicking on font, you select a particular word you want. For me, I'll click on bangers. After clicking on font, after typing your name and using a particular font you want, you go ahead and click on styles. Then you click on background. Click on background. After clicking on background, you click on this first one. Click on the first one, or you can decide to use the second one, any one of your choice. Then you carefully drag the name you wrote to fit the size of this watermark so that you can cover the watermark. After doing that, you click on the arrow to save your editing. Now you still need to do one more thing before you go, and that is dragging this watermark, dragging your name to the end of the video. Now this is the end of the video. That is where your name will get to, and this editing part, make sure you click on it and delete. The reason why you need to delete it is some of the video you see on probably YouTube, Facebook, or other social media application, after watching the video to the end, you see the watermark will also appear, and that is because those people editing the video do not delete the editing part. So we are going to delete the edit part and edit it like this. Then we'll click here to export. After exporting the video, let's play the video and see what we now have.
Hi, I am in a video made by SHADRECH, okay?
That is actually how to make video with Dream Face AI. It's actually very easy and straightforward. So follow me for more videos.